The Redmi Buds 6, the latest addition to its audio lineup, offering impressive features such as dual drivers, up to 42 hours of battery life, and effective noise cancellation. Redmi Buds 6, Xiaomi's latest wireless earbuds, belie their budget price tag. With ANC and HyperOS Connect support, Xiaomi has expanded the Redmi Buds 6 series with a fourth option. Following on from the likes of the Redmi Buds 6 Lite, the Redmi Buds 6 offer a dual-driver setup, active noise cancellation, and long battery life. Xiaomi has now introduced the Redmi Buds 6 as the titular member of the Redmi Buds 6 series. However, Xiaomi's latest pair of budget earbuds are not the first member of their series. Instead, Xiaomi has already released the Redmi Buds 6 Active, Redmi Buds 6 Lite, and Redmi Buds 6S. Redmi Buds 6 features a dual-driver acoustic structure, combining a 12.4mm titanium-coated diaphragm driver with a 5.5mm micro-piezoelectric ceramic driver. This setup ensures rich, dynamic sound with deep bass and clear treble. The earbuds are also equipped with 4 EQ sound modes, allowing users to fine-tune their audio preferences. Certified by NetEase Cloud Music hardware, the sound quality is optimized for music lovers. In terms of noise cancellation, the Redmi Buds 6 can block up to 99.6% of environmental noise, thanks to its 49 dB noise reduction system. The dual microphones, supported by AI noise resistance, are capable of effectively reducing wind noise, even in conditions with wind speeds of up to 9 meters per second. The Redmi Buds 6 offers up to 42 hours of total battery life, including the charge from the case, and 10 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. The fast charging feature allows for 4 hours of playback after just 10 minutes of charging, ensuring that users can quickly get back to their music without waiting for long charging times. The Redmi Buds 6 includes Sound ID functionality, enabling personalized sound customization. This feature adjusts the audio output based on individual hearing preferences, offering a more tailored and immersive listening experience. The earbuds also support 360-degree spatial audio, providing a surround sound effect that enhances music and video playback. It supports dual device connection, allowing for seamless switching between two connected devices for effortless multitasking. Xiaomi has also enhanced the charging case with Cloud Glow Light Effects 2.0, making it easy to check the battery level. The case uses a simple light indicator, 1 light for below 25%, 2 for 25% 50%, 3 for 50% 75%, and 4 for above 75%. Redmi Buds 6 also supports HyperOS Connect, enabling seamless integration with other Xiaomi devices for a more unified and connected user experience. Additionally, the earbuds are IP54 rated for water and dust resistance, making them durable enough for everyday use. Redmi Buds 6 can accurately convey the connotation of the music. The high-frequency performance is also excellent, with clear and pure instrumental tones and rich details, bringing more delicate listening enjoyment. In terms of noise reduction, Redmi Buds 6 also performs well. Even when you're on a noisy street, the headphones still significantly cut down on ambient noise, such as engine sounds and traffic noise. For its price point, such noise-canceling capability is a standout. While it can't match the noise-canceling performance of high-end in-ear headphones, the Redmi Buds 6 is more than adequate for daily office, commuting, or reading scenarios, exceeding most users' expectations. Whether it's the sound quality, noise cancellation, or battery life performance, it shows its value beyond its asking price. The Redmi Buds 6 is undoubtedly a recommended choice for those looking for an excellent sound quality experience in an affordable price range. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.